Children, today we are going to learn the lesson variety in food. As you know, we use the vegetables and grains bought from the market to prepare different dishes in our meals. Which grains and vegetables does your family buy from the market? Yes, children, name a few. In grains, we buy rice, wheat, bajra, moong. Yes? So, by using these grains, we prepare variety of dishes, isn't it? For example, out of rice, we prepare idli, dosa, bhakri, modak. So many varieties of dishes are made using rice. Similarly, by using wheat, we prepare variety of dishes like chapati, puri, tepla, kakra, etc. By this, we realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. That is, from rice we can make variety of dishes. In the same way, by using wheat we can make different varieties of food items. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredient remains the same. That is, basic ingredients in the sense rice and wheat. So, out of that we can make many different types of dishes. So, basic ingredient remains the same. Note that there is diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. So, we know that in our country, the dishes differ from state to state. In every region, there is one staple food. Children, do you know what is a staple food? It is the main food grown in that region. So, this is because of the climatic condition of that region. So, depending upon the climatic condition of that region or place, the crop is grown over there. In our country, the staple food varies from one state to the other. It depends on the crops growing in that particular state. So, children, that is about the staple food. Now, look at the map. So, observe the distribution of food crops in the country. So, look at the map of India. So, you can make out the distribution of food crops in our country. You can see that the distribution of crops varies in the regions. In coastal region, rice is grown more. Look at the map, children. Coastal region, we can see the crop of rice. In North India, wheat and jawar is grown more, which is the major food crop in the central region. Just observe and tell me, which is a major food crop? It is wheat. So, the food crop varies from state to state. Children, agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. So, India's main occupation is agriculture. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. You know that for the agriculture we need water. So, the rainfall, that is a main source for agriculture. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. That is, in regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and wari are grown. So, we know that the rainfall received in all region is not the same. That is why the crop also varies from place to place. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. And wheat, tur and soya bean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Moderate rainfall means medium rainfall. Jawar, bajra and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. So, the crops are divided into three, that is the crops which are grown in the heavy rainfall region and moderate rainfall region and also low rainfall region. So, that is why we can say that the crops are dependent on the rainfall. To help crops to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water are needed. So, to grow the crops well, we have learnt already in the previous lesson that we need fertile soil and good seeds and also sufficient sunlight, and we need water also. According to the seasons, a variety of grains, fruits and vegetables are grown in our country. So, depending upon the rain and also depending upon the fertility of the soil, the crops are grown, and moreover, seasons are also playing very important role in growing the crops. So, by this we can understand that the crops are grown in different regions, that is depending upon the rainfall and also the fertility of the soil. That is why we can see in our country different states are growing different types of crops. Yes, children. So, if you visit a fruit seller, there you can see variety of fruits. Out of this, which fruits are sold all year round? Yes, if you visit a fruit seller, you get to see the variety of fruit, but some fruits are available throughout the year. Can you name them? Yes, children. Banana and apple we get throughout the year. Yes or no? Yes. So, which fruits are available in rainy season? Yes, in rainy season we get jackfruit, pear, jamun, apple, banana. Yes. And which fruits are available in summer? Mango, cashew nuts, muskmelon, watermelon and banana and apple. So, these are the fruits which are available in the they are available in summer season. So, the availability of fruits varies according to the season. Different fruits are available in different seasons. So, look at the map, children. It shows famous food items from Maharashtra, and the neighbouring states also. So, in this map it shows the famous food items from Maharashtra and also its adjoining states, that is neighboring states. So here we can see the fruit and also the food items. So Nasik is famous for the food item called mande, and Thane is famous for rice bhakri, and Pune for nachni bhakri. Yes, look at the map. Ahmednagar for jawar bhakri, Satara for jawar bhakri, and Jalgaon is famous for brinjal bharit. And in the neighboring state, there also we can see the famous food item, that is in Karnataka. It is famous for Mysore pak, idli and dosa, and Gujarat is famous for dokla and tepla. So we can see many famous food items here in the Maharashtra and also the neighboring states. So you can look into that. So children, by looking into this map, you can make a list of districts or states and their famous food items. So you make a list of it, that is district and state, and also food items. So by looking into that, we can write the answers for that. So that is in one column district and state, and in the next column food item, and we can write in the other column main ingredient, what is used to prepare that food item. The main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. So, you know, by looking at the map, we came to know that in one particular region, one type of crop is grown. So, in that particular region, the people are preparing food items made by that particular crop. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region of Maharashtra. So there they prepare different items, food items like harda, lahiya, bakri, papad, sandge, ambli, dhirde. All these are preparations of jawar enjoyed in that region. So children, this says that the place where the crop is grown, out of that different types of food items are prepared. So in Konkan or coastal region, rice and coconut and also the coconut oil are widely used. So if you go to Konkan region, you get to eat the food items prepared out of rice, coconut and coconut oil. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soya bean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. So if you go to central Maharashtra, you get the food items prepared out of these grains or the crops. Note that this variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. So, the people, those who are living in that region, they eat the crops which are grown in their region. So that becomes the staple food of that particular people, those who are living in that region. So that is how the staple food has come. So now, do you know, children, some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in a certain season are now available all year round. So, why it is so? You know that previously only the fruits which are available in that region, that season, that we are able to get it, but nowadays we are getting all the types of fruits throughout the year. So there are several reasons for this. That is, first one is availability of water throughout the year. So we know that nowadays people are not only using rainwater, that is for agriculture, growing the crops, they use water which is stored. That is, water which is stored can be used for growing the crops also. So people can use that water and they can grow the crops. So that is why we get all different types of fruits and vegetables and crops throughout the year. And next is availability of improved seeds. So nowadays the improved seeds are used for growing the crops. So these seeds are growing very fast and also they are giving us more good crops. And third point is importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world. So we have the facility of importing, that is, we are bringing the fruits from other countries of the world also. So if the fruit is available in that country, we can import it and the people of our country can also buy that fruits. And faster transport facility. Nowadays we have faster transport facility also. So the fruits and vegetables and crops from one country and one place to the other place can be transported by using the vehicles. So by all these points we get to use the crops, or we are getting all different types of fruits and vegetables all year round. So that is why we are getting all different types of fruits and vegetables. Now what we have learnt today. So children, in today's class we have learnt about diversity in food items. That is, we have learned that there are variety of food items in different regions of our country also. So the people, those who are living in different regions, are consuming different types of food. So this is because the people, those who are living in that region, are growing that type of crops over there. That is why they are using that particular grains or crops as their staple food. Food items vary according to the region. So according to the region, the food items also varies. That is, this is because the crops are growing in that region. So the crop which is growing very well, that is, which grows there, are consumed by that people. The availability of grain, fruits and vegetables depends on the season. So, depending upon the season, we are getting different types of fruits and vegetables. The various food items in Maharashtra and neighboring state also. So, we have learned about the various food items in our state Maharashtra and also about the neighboring states. Children, now let us discuss the fill in the blanks questions. There is dash in the food items of the different states of our country. There is diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. Next one, in every region there is one dash food. That is, in every region there is one staple food. Dash is the main occupation in all parts of our country. Answer is agriculture. Agriculture is a main occupation in all parts of our country. The availability of fruits varies according to the dash. The availability of fruits varies according to the season. Yes, children. Now, identify the fruits in the picture. Write their names in the proper columns. So, include the names of the fruits that you know but are not included in the picture also. So, you can write it by your own also. So, make the 3 columns: summer, rainy season and winter. So, we have to write in the column, that is under summer we have to write the fruits which are grown in summer season. So, we know that in summer season jackfruit, mango, apple, cashew nut, banana and watermelon, these fruits are available. And in rainy season apple, jamun, banana, jackfruit and pear. And in winter guava, apple, grapes, banana, oranges and strawberry. So, we can make the columns, that is summer, rainy and winter, and we have to write down the names of the fruits which are available in that particular season. Now, circle the odd one out in the given food items in each group and write why it is the odd one. So, children, here the odd man out is given. You have to write the odd one out and you have to write the reason also. Why is that so? So, first one, mango pickle, mango, mango jam and mango pulp. So, the question is mango pickle, mango, mango jam and mango pulp. So, which is the odd one out? Yes, children. The answer is mango pickle. Why? Because mango pickle tastes sour and all other food items given here taste sweet. Yes, mango pickle is sour to taste, whereas mango, mango jam and mango pulp are sweet. Next question, pulao, paratha, dahi bath and biryani. So, which is the odd one out? Pulao, paratha, dahi bath and biryani. So children, here paratha is odd man out. Why? Because paratha is prepared by using wheat. That is, wheat flour is used, and pulao, dahi bath and biryani are made out of rice. Is that clear, children? Yes. And next one, Mysore pak, Puran Poli, Thali Peet and Junka Bakar. Mysore pak, Puran Poli, Thali Peet and Junka Bakar. So your answer is Mysore pak, because Mysore pak is famous food item from Karnataka and all other food items are from Maharashtra. So Mysore pak is the famous food item from Karnataka, whereas Puran Poli, Thali Peet, Junka Bakar are the famous food item from Maharashtra. That is why we are the Mysore pak is the odd man out. So children, we have done with the lesson number 6, variety in food. So go through the textbook and understand it. Thank you, children.